Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me just a little bit of like guys and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright guys, and if you know a recipe you want me to do, just leave it in the comment section. Alright, so let's get into this video. I'm gonna make some fried rice, whether you want to say Jamaican style fried rice, Chinese style fried rice, but I'm gonna add my twist to it. I washed the beef already, I cleaned it up, so I'm gonna add some ginger paste, about a teaspoon. I like it in it. All right, I'm gonna put another teaspoon of my blended seasoning, some of this all-purpose Maggi, about half teaspoon. We're not gonna overdo it, okay? Paprika to give it some color, so I'm gonna put about a teaspoon. I'm just gonna tip like 1 teaspoon of soy sauce so we can mix that together. And I'm gonna go in with my hand, guys. You can do whatever you want. You want to flavor up the thing, all right? This is my pimento allspice. I'm gonna put like 1/4 teaspoon, not much, okay? And I'm gonna mix it again. I forgot it. That gives it the flavor. I'm gonna use some fish seasoning, Jamaican fish seasoning. I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of my garlic paste. Focus. Let me put a little bit of my blended seasoning, about half teaspoon, not much. All right. Oopsie. And just mix it up. Look at the goodness. Oh my goodness. Now we're just gonna set this aside and then we're gonna fry up everything now. And I'm gonna just cut my sausage in some pieces. You want to flavor the rice now, okay guys? You don't want to just make it so. So I'm putting 3 cups of water and my 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna wash it already, okay guys? I'm gonna put about 1 teaspoon. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with some of my blended seasoning. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon, flavor it up. I'm gonna put about 3/4, a little bit or half. It's up to you. You can put 1 if you want. I'm gonna put a little bit of green onion, not too much, something like so. Now I'm gonna go in with some olive oil and I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons, and I'm gonna let this cook down. Like a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil here. And look over here guys, we're gonna do all these, okay? We're gonna do sausage, shrimp, and beef. Now we're gonna fry up the sausage. I'm just gonna put them over here. See? They're all good. Fry up the shrimp. Guys, after about 2 minutes, we're just gonna flip everything over, or you can just stir them up. It doesn't matter. You see the color on these guys? All right guys, they're all fried up now. You see? Nice. Look at that. You see the color? Oh my god. So we're just gonna take them out. We're gonna put them here for now. So the rice is cooked. All right, and that's good. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now to this, I'm gonna put like half teaspoon of cornstarch, and I'm gonna put a teaspoon of water. I'm just gonna use this and I'm gonna mix it up. Smell the ginger in it guys, so we're gonna fry them up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna fry up this and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna flip them over. All right, I'm gonna give it about 2 more minutes and that's it. Now I'm gonna add all my bell peppers, my onions, ginger, carrots, and I'm gonna put some green onion, and I'm gonna place this in at the same time. You can cook this one in the rice if you want. Okay, guys? You see the sauce and everything mixed up in it. Ooh. Oh dear, oh dear. Look at that goodness, guys. Oh, oh. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper to this, guys. Just a little bit of black pepper. And a tad more salt. Alright. Now, there was some leftover sauce. I just add like a 2 tablespoons of water, a few tablespoons of water. And add it to it and mix out the container. And then that's it. Just gonna stir this up. I'm also gonna add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I have this Guyanese fried rice sauce. I'm gonna add a tablespoon. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna put a little bit of crushed red pepper, about half teaspoon. Alright guys, this is it. You don't want to overdo it, okay? I'm gonna add my shrimp, add the sausage, and give this a stir. Alright, and my rice is ready over here, and I'm gonna spoon some in. Oopsie. Let's mix this up first. Guys, more meat than rice, but anyhow, that's good. When you go to some store, guys, and you want a little bit of meat. Yeah, I have a little bit more rice, guys, but I'm not gonna put any more rice in it. I have a little bit of parsley, fresh cut parsley, just for garnishing. I'm just gonna put that on top, and then I'm just gonna set my shrimp on top as well. And this is it, guys. This is my shrimp, beef, sausage, fried rice with lots of vegetable, lots of flavor in it, guys. All right, and that's it. Super comfort food. All right, guys, that's it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Gonna taste some of it for you. I put some avocado and a little bit of ketchup. So good. I'm not gonna. So good. I made my green drink. This one has strawberry, spinach, soy milk and half of banana, some ginger. Oh, and a tablespoon of sea moss. So good. If you want to make this video, let me know. Food is so good. I'm not eating a lot one time, okay guys? Alright guys, you have a good day.